Hey everyone, Xiaomi has expanded its budget portfolio with the launch of the Redmi 14R 5G, a phone developed to deliver essential features at an affordable price. With its focus on reliability and day-to-day utility, the Redmi 14R 5G stands as an upgrade over the previous Redmi 14C, particularly in areas like performance and connectivity. Let's dive into the key features and see how it stacks up against its predecessor. The Redmi 14R 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, an upgrade over the previous Dimensity 6100 Plus found in the Redmi 13R. This shift brings improved energy efficiency and better overall performance for day-to-day tasks, whether streaming videos, light gaming, or web browsing. The 5160 mAh battery ensures the device can handle a full day of moderate usage. However, while the phone supports 18-watt fast charging, Xiaomi only includes a 10-watt charger in the box, which may leave some users wanting more in terms of charging speed. The 6.88-inch screen of the Redmi 14R 5G features a 120Hz refresh rate and 720p resolution, ensuring smooth scrolling and decent visual clarity. The 600 nit high brightness mode ensures visibility even in bright sunlight. Although not the sharpest display in its segment, it offers a good balance of dimension and smoothness for daily use. The Redmi 14R 5G features a 13-megapixels rear camera and a 5-megapixels front camera. While these camera specs might not impress those looking for a photography powerhouse, they are adequate for routine photo capturing and video calling. It's worth noting that the Redmi 14R 5G is more focused on core functionality, so camera enthusiasts might find the results less than stellar compared to higher-end models. The Redmi 14R 5G offers three distinct finishes: green leather, black and purple glass, and blue plastic. Depending on the material, the phone's weight ranges from 205 grams to 212 grams. With dimensions of 171.88 by 77.8 by 8.22 mm, the device has a comfortable grip despite its relatively large dimension. The inclusion of a side-mounted fingerprint sensor adds a layer of convenience and security. The Redmi 14R 5G serves as a solid budget option for users who want 5G connectivity and reliable performance without breaking the bank. However, when compared to the Redmi 14C, it sacrifices some camera capabilities in favor of 5G support and a more efficient processor. Both phones offer similar display quality and battery life, but the Redmi 14C has the edge for those who prioritize better photography. For users who value faster network speeds and better overall performance, the Redmi 14R 5G is a suitable choice. However, for users more focused on camera quality and don't mind 4G connectivity, the Redmi 14C remains a strong contender in the budget segment. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.